So for the presentation, I choose the topic about the Bermuda Triangle. I'm Shimantoray Sumit. Let's get to the topic. Bermuda Triangle, the name of a mystery. For the several years, we had so many incidents happening there. But the name Bermuda Triangle was first mentioned in an article named ROBC. For the first time, the author mentioned this, there is an area of Bermuda Triangle where some incidents happening. In this article, the author writes that near Florida, there is an area named Bermuda Triangle where some strange activities are going on. Do you know what is the worst thing about Bermuda Triangle? That the radio and the compass do not work well there. And the reading of electronic device used to fluctuate. So after happening that, most of the people are assuming that there might be some sea monster or aliens who are grabbing everything. Over there, several aircrafts and ships have vanished without a trace there with their crew member, literally vanished. So many movies are made on this myth, but most of them are useless because there are no, logic. And do you know what is the reason behind it? Because people like thrilling stories rather than the logical thinking. Most of the time, the truth is feel like boring and very uninteresting, and it's feel like that you are trying to understand a very hard concept of a mathematics. So if I talk about some logical explanation about the incidents happening in Bermuda Triangle, they must be that the ocean currents and storms cause accident, the complex magnetic latitude, and also the methane gas bubble sinks ships by reducing water density. And also there are some human error or technical errors are responsible for this. But even now, most of the people seems like that there are some existence of alien or Atlantis, which is obviously not. So in conclusion, despite of many theories in Bermuda Triangle, this is remain unsolved. While some incidents have logical explanation, but other are still a mystery. Whatever science or myth, the Bermuda Triangle continues to fascinate the peoples worldwide to with its mystery. Thank you, everyone. It's all about this. I try my best to explain this in front of you. I don't know how it is. Thank you, everyone, for listening me with carefully and also giving me your valuable time. Thank you, everyone.